My name is Bob Ekdashi, Director of McTrans Center at University of Florida Transportation Institute. Us at McTrans, we are developing cost-effective and widely accessible traffic analysis tools, along with its development, support, and training. If I want to name a couple of our bestseller softwares, one of them is highway capacity softwares that basically allows you to do mobility analysis for planning level analysis based on highway capacity manual published by TRB. The other software, highway safety software, is basically uses crash prediction methods of highway safety manual and allows for analysts to do safety analysis for traffic studies. So both these softwares basically provide a comprehensive suite for traffic engineers to do traffic analysis that includes mobility and safety aspects of the analysis. So one of the criteria that we stick heavily to that is transparency. So all the methods that we use in our software, they're all transparent. What we use in highway capacity software is based on highway capacity manual, which is widely used reference material for transportation engineering. All the methods, all the details, all the equations, everything is publicly available. As well as for safety, we stick to highway safety manual so that all those methods and equations and flows, everything basically is based on that. So transparency is the key for us, as well as compliance. We stick 100% to these methodologies for these two softwares that I just talked about, for highway capacity manual as well as highway safety manual. So when you are using our software, you have 100% compliance with the manual. So if your project needs compliance, for example, if you are chasing certain funding or grants through different governmental agencies, you need to show that based on these standards, your project qualifies for that funding. That's where you can use our software and make sure that everything is compliant. When it comes to traffic analysis using highway capacity software, Transportation Research Board, TRB, published new version of highway capacity manual last year with the big emphasis on multimodal aspect of transportation. The name of the book is actually a guide for multimodal analysis, mobility analysis. And it has new methodologies that accounts for impact of connected autonomous vehicles on the capacity of the roadway. And to best of my knowledge, highway capacity manual is the only reference material that has solid numbers for them. Another big addition that came last year is a revised pedestrian method to do analysis for unsignalized intersection, signalized intersection, mid-block crossing, and basically that provides new methodologies for pedestrian and bicycle, to evaluate, their quality of service when they are utilizing infrastructure, both from comfort perspective as well as safety. And that's a big thing because these are vulnerable road users, and we need to make sure that when it comes to analysis, when it comes to scenario assessments, we are doing a good job in terms of taking care of their perspectives as well. Software development dissemination is one aspect of our work. The other aspect is training. Specifically being part of university, we are focusing a lot on that. So we do have actually classes, trainings that also we disseminated through ITE on highway capacity, highway safety analysis, generally speaking traffic analysis, as well as transportation equity for engineers. These are subjects that we have training for that different public agencies, private firms, consultants, they sign up for in order to get educated. If I'm not mistaken, we are probably the only university or institution that provide a transportation equity certification program, and that's specifically for engineers. And also I'm happy to share that if you are an ITE member, all ITE members, they receive 20% discount when signing up for our courses. I would say the best process to reach out is Google us. You will find our email or phone number. Either send us an email or give us a call, and that's going to basically start the conversation. And you're going to be redirected to the right person to talk. So we have a team of folks at McTrans that they're basically, pick up the phone, look up the emails, and we are pretty on time on that. So I would say Google it.